Welcome back to Real Life with Russell! So IKEA had their grand opening today in Las Vegas. It's the very first IKEA that ever opened in Nevada, I think. And I was gonna record some footage just to have it be the outro video to one of my weekly videos, but I think that this is worth it to have its own video because I'm about to meet up with Christina and Darren and we're gonna troll around IKEA shopping for really cheap Swedish furniture.
Why does my desk cost more than your desk?
My desk is more important than your desk.
I don't think that's true.
Absolutely it is.
I'm not.
Mine's made out of wood, you hear that?
What is mine made out of then?
Cardboard. You hear that? You hear the tone? You hear the difference? It's like a knock knock, not a knock knock. Hear that? It's knock knock, baby girl.
I am not a baby girl.
Now we're in beds.
Oh.
Why don't you like beds? Beds are awesome. Do you want to try out a bed?
Darren, look at that bed right there. It's real low to the ground.
I don't need to go to the bed.
No, that's not real. Don't do it.
What about this one?
My grandma's house. The carpet that my grandma had in the living room. You wore your mom's curtains? Like you wear your mom's curtains, the problem. I did. These are my mom. Oh, yes, and one of those, and one of those.
The emergency exit?
Darren, the club can't even handle you right now.
You can buy these?
Oh, that's a good 450. That's a good 450 counter right there. And yes, we'll have one of those and one of those. Item number 2777347.
Look, now we're in the garden.
Garden!
Welcome to my green room.
Are we out of the woods yet? Are we out of the woods yet? Are we out of the woods?
That's that King James shit.
Are we in the clear area?
Ooh, the new Nimbus 2. The Nimbus 2 is the original make.
Christina's really happy for the Harry Potter reference.
I had to stick it.
Oh, this is Gary's room. This is where Gary buys all of his candles.
It's just it. Gary loves IKEA.
What?
Yep. Take me to my car.
We're going this way. Are you filming us?
Yes.
Oh, well, this is us leaving IKEA.
I wanted the contrast of Darren with that little old lady.
Number one, never ask the question.
Is this Snapchat? Are you filming?
Is this on? Is this thing on?
People would know if they were on live TV.
Yes, exactly. People would know if someone's filming you is what I'm
He
saying.
could have been taking a selfie with IKEA.
Oh, but we need a thumbnail. My arm's not long enough.
Wow, no, I'm not tall enough.
Go to the other side.
If you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and of course, as always, subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos every once in a while. I feel like it. That's just how life is. It disappoints. Get over it. Oh, more cops. Wow, this was really intelligent. They put the exit like in the middle of the... You can go! There's cones! Idiot. Oh, people. Yes, thank you. I understand. That's called road rage, kids. All right, bye. See you next time. Nobody cares. Nobody cares.
Yes.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, jump.
I know.
These people are like, what the f are they doing?